Hello everyone, this is Nate with another Python tutorial number 8. In this tutorial we will be talking about conditional statements. So let's get started. So conditional statements are useful to find, say if you want to know if a player is at a certain point in a game, then you want an action to occur. Or if the player does something else, then you want another action to occur. Or if someone divides by 0 in a program, then you have an exit point for that, or a conditional for that. So that's pretty much where conditionals are useful. There are lots of other uses for them, but those are just a few examples. So how we do conditionals in Python is we use the if keyword and our conditional. So I'm going to do if 3 is equal to, comparator operator equal to, two equal signs, like we talked about in the operator and expression video. So if 3 is equal to 3, print true. Run that, and it's good. So recap of how if-else statement works, or if-then statement works. If, and then your conditional, followed by colon and indentation. That is very important, or else you'll get a syntax error, like so. So that's why it needs indentation. And then your block, your main body of your conditional statement. So another part of if-then conditional is the else block. So this pretty much is something that's used if if the first if statement is not true. So I'm gonna go ahead and print false. Go ahead and run that, and it still gives me true. And if I go ahead and change that number, then it'll give me false. So that's pretty much how you do if-else statements. And the final block that I have is the elif, which is used for if you want to add additional if statements like that. But first I want to make a variable that holds a string, so I'm going to name it hello. And then all this if-else conditional will test if that is x is equal to a certain value, or if that string is equal to x. So if x is equal to hi, print, this is a horrible example, but you'll get the idea. Print hi, and then elif, this is where a elif block comes in. If elif x is equal to hello, remember to put in a string, print hello. And another thing to note is that you can have an infinite number of elif statements, and you can also have if statements inside your if block. So I can also do an additional and then another level, etc. It gets more advanced, and you'll see the uses for that later on. So I'm gonna go ahead and add another elif block. Elif x is equal to nothing. Print. I'll just do an empty string. Almost forgot a colon there. That would have been bad. Okay, so we can go ahead and run that, and it'll print hello because that part is executed. So that's just the basics on if-else statements, control flow in Python. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye.